Tonight, we're following up on the respiratory illness affecting dogs right here in Colorado and all throughout the country. That's a hard sound to hear. That's Ernie, reporter Rob Harris's dog. Rob reported on the illness earlier this month after Ernie became sick, needing a lengthy treatment of antibiotics. The illness has only continued to spread since then, and it's now getting national attention. Well, tonight, Rob is following up with local vets to see how they're managing these cases.
It's been almost exactly a month since I ran the story about my dog Ernie coming down with some mystery respiratory illness and developing pneumonia. I'm happy to tell you he's doing much better. In fact, I took this video this morning. Yes, he still does cough from time to time, but he's playful again, he's got his energy back, he's eating normally, and so he's definitely a success case. But since we ran that story, it's gone viral, no pun intended, because we're seeing national outlets now running this warning for pet parents. And I've been hearing from pet parents, plus veterinary hospitals in Colorado that are having to change the way they're operating just to keep their patients safe. So I'm in the car, we're heading to one of those hospitals to hear what they're doing.
Okay, bud. You're a good boy.
Evolution Veterinary Hospital in Lakewood is used to helping many different animals dealing with many different issues.
If they ever stop eating, I'm super worried.
But for the last couple of months, they've been dealing with one of the greatest challenges in medicine, the unknown.
Are you productive or no?
Evolution's been seeing the same influx in dogs with respiratory illness that vets across the country have been reporting. They've seen an average of 5 every week needing to be hospitalized at this location alone. And they still don't know what exactly is causing this disease.
We don't know if it's a bacteria, a virus, or something else, but it does seem to be something that's more resistant to our typical treatments.
It's impacting dogs of all ages, and it can be deadly. Just this week, 11-month-old husky pup Louie had to be held in one of their oxygenated kennels just to help him breathe.
Some of our patients come in with a fever of 105 or 106 degrees Fahrenheit. They are really struggling to breathe. Their tongues turn kind of purple because they're not getting enough oxygen. And it's just this very rapid shift. Some of them are so bad off that we've even had them die from the disease that's happening.
Evolution's flown in an animal respiratory illness expert from Missouri for the week to help with the cases.
You see it?
They say it'll take time to research this new pathogen, to learn what it is and how to best fight it. But for now, animal hospitals across the country are taking extra steps to stop the spread, donning protective gear, adding more deep cleanings, and keeping suspected cases in an isolation unit. They're asking pet parents to keep a close eye on their dogs.
I think, dogs, they want to be happy to be around us, right? Like, they are so better than we are as human beings, and they try to hide being ill as long as they can.
For Denver 7,
they are going to push through until they can't hide that they feel poorly anymore.
I'm Rob Harris.
Hoping the best for all those pups. Well, while veterinarians still don't know everything about this illness, they do believe that it is highly transmissible between dogs. So they recommend that you avoid highly social areas with your dogs for the time being. That includes dog parks, daycares, boarding. Also, if your dog seems to struggle to breathe, they're showing a lack of energy or a loss of appetite, take them to a vet right away.